Go. So we're just going to put an audio through. So we've got two soups, check line, steak. We've actually got kids' chicken nuggets there. It's a bit difficult to read, that needs the colours changing. So they can sweep this ticket around. Once the starters are gone, they peg it down and then open it back up again to continue the order. Once it's finished, press finish. Now you've got all your archived in here. This shows you all the times out, the speeds of the actual service orders, and we also get an average time. Now we've been testing this today, so these times are actually not right, but normally tomorrow when they start afresh, they'll get tomorrow's average times coming out. There you go, kitchen video.